how to fix camera not working on Poco M8. Let's start the video. If you want to fix this problem, so restart phone. If you want to restart, so click volume up button and power button at the time, and you will see restart phone. After restart, you will see your problem is solved. If it not solved, click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on additional setting. After click on additional settings, click on developer option. After click on developer option, scroll down and search media DRM. You will see media DRM is here. So update your software. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software, you will see your problem is solved. If it's still not solved, so click on settings. Now in setting, click on more connectivity option and click on reset Wi-Fi networks. So reset settings. After click on reset setting, enter your phone pin and click on OK. After click on OK, you will see your problem is solved. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can fix camera not working on Poco M8. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.